do you make of, the series of allegations that have been leveled and also the recovery that we've seen? A 3.7% jump. It's trading roughly 3.7% higher. If we talk about the Adani shares as of today, do you think it's going to go up further, let's say the next few days, and the overall market perspective, if you'd want to throw some light on that, sir?
Whether it goes up or go down, that depends upon the market reaction and how the investors perceive. But today, as you mentioned, that the stocks have risen by 3.7% is nothing but a testimony of the investors' assurance or their faith into the conglomerate. And as you mentioned about the background of Hindenburg, now they're a short-selling company. They make profits if suddenly the share prices of a listed company fall. That's how they make. And in that, naturally, if they bring out a research report, that will have adverse comments. And even the Department of Justice in US has noted Hindenburg as a company which is under investigation. Now, if you see the two targeted events, one was by the BBC documentary a few weeks ago, and now the Hindenburg report on an Indian listed conglomerate having vested interest everywhere. Now, this is somewhere we can see a very targeted attempt on India and India's national economy, which is the fastest growing economy in the world, and that does not go down with the West.
A deliberate targeted attempt. The bigger picture here is, given the political blame game that we're seeing play out in India, who is it really going to benefit? If a top business leader or anyone who's bringing in wealth to the country suffers, or there's a face loss that is witnessed, is it really going to benefit us? That's the question that needs to be asked. But for now, we'll have to quickly wrap up. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us on the debate.